Okay. About the eyebrows you have seen. Okay. Fine. So this part I was working with. I just adjusted it, and uh, I told uh, about different persons. You got that point? You heard that? Or before that I got disconnected? In different countries, East Asian countries, that will be different that I told? No, right? You haven't heard that. Okay. So what I was telling, Asian countries. Hope internet is there. Okay. East Asian countries like China, Japan, Thailand, Philippines, Myanmar. Okay, all these countries, Singapore, the people's eyes are very small. Actually, eyes are not small. The size of the eyeball is the same. The what the basic problem is, this portion in those countries, fat will be very much deposited in this. So much fat is there. The eye is overlapped with the fat, and that is the reason it will look like eyes are too small, but eyeball size is the same. Are you getting my point? My model is also becoming, see, kind of East Asian countries people. Okay, so this is one thing I was talking about. And second thing, suppose you were creating an old man. So in that, what will happen in the old man's case, this portion, this fat over here, or fat will be very less for the old man, because the person is old. Previously fat was there, now the fat is very less. So the entire skin will be hanging from here, and the upper eyelid will be overlapped like this, and the character will become an old man. So like this, a young man, old man, a child, all the characters will be different. So you need to follow the reference properly. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I guess you got my point, right, guys? Okay. All right. So yes, you people now can start presenting what you wanted to show me. Come on, one by one, quickly. You can also create old character, but better. Yes, Tanmay, yes, please present. But you know what? First, start with a young character, because young character wrinkles will be less. So that is easy to model. So first, start with the young character, then gradually go for old. So far, it is very good. Hmm. A few problems are there here and there. Uh, okay, Tanmay, a major problem is there. Go to the side view.